I've been deceived.
Yo, you fine as hell. How old are you?
How old am I?
Yeah.
14.
So, I was just trying to do a time travel here, you know what I'm saying? I was not trying to, you feel me? And I literally, hold on, wait, I literally have the time machine over there, if you want to see. So that, I'm not lying, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, let me show you, hold up. I'm not lying, I swear to God, I'm not trying to do something.
Alright. I'm looking, bro. What the fuck?
Hello? What year is it?
2014?
2014? I thought it's 2022. I mean, I went to 2024.
No.
And I literally met you in 2025.
2025? I wasn't even alive then. I mean,
2025.
2025.
I met you there. I met you in like we shook hands and all that, you know what I'm saying? What are you laughing at? You think I'm playing the whole time, bro? You think I'm playing, boy? Do you guys know what teleportation is?
No.
You don't know teleportation?
Teleportation?
Teleportation. Do you want to?
Teleportation.
Exactly. Yeah. Yes. I will actually show you how I teleport. Okay. Okay. Hold on. So when I teleport, I have to actually like move my camera so that you can see. Okay. Okay. Wait.
Wow.
So yeah, I was teleporting to your house.
No.
This is what I got from your house. Wait. Yes.
I'm alone at home. I'm scared.
You're wrong. It's okay. I was just teleporting, and this is what I got from your house. When I went to your house, did you see me there? Did you see me?
Stop doing this, please.
No. It's okay. So you didn't see me.
No.
Okay. No. It's okay. I'm still here. But should I show up in your house?
Can we skip you, please? No.
No. I will try to teleport again to just show you another one.
No. Yes. But make fast. In 3 minutes. The bus. The bus is coming.
Oh, you're gonna go to a bus?
I go home when she's alone.
Oh, okay. No. I'm just gonna be quick, okay?
Okay, go.
I'm gonna go to your house and you can see me there, okay?
No.
Wait. Hi.
Hey, what's up? Why are you wearing a
good?
suit? Formal.
Why am I wearing a suit? See, it's kind of hard to explain. I mean, it's gonna be a lot more silly if I explain to you why I'm wearing a suit.
Well, I'm curious. Explain to me.
Okay, so I know it's gonna sound very silly, but I have a time machine. Yeah, exactly. I have a time machine and I can like travel to the future.
Do you hear this?
That is so crazy.
Are you being serious?
I told you, like, it sounds silly, but I can actually show you though if you want to.
Yeah, can I see?
Yeah, okay, but let me move my camera over there because my time machine is over there.
Okay.
Okay, hold up, wait.
Bro. Bro, what? What just happened?
Yo. Hello?
Hello?
Yo, what year is it?
2022? April 8th?
2022? Yo. Bro, I literally went to 2024.
No, you didn't.
Bro, I told you.
How did you do
bro,
that?
I remember you last time when I was in 2022. I met you on Amigo. And again, I met you in 2024. We shook hands. Yes, your name is Maya, right? I told you.
How do you know that?
Because we shook hands. We met. And then at the time,
When?
in 2024, so at the time you were like 19, so that means that right now you're 17, right? Hey, look, that's what I'm saying. Bro, I'm from the future. Because we actually met in a city. Yes, we shook hands. I swear. I was like,
Nah, actually, how did you know that?
because we met there.
Nah,
I was like,
actually, how did
Bro.
you know that? So,
I told you. We shook hands. Yo, I was like in a street, right? And you were walking. And I
I'm
was like,
literally in right now.
I told you because at the time, I don't know where you're going at the time, but I was in the street. And then we met. I was like, yo, you're that girl from Amigo. And I was like, yo, that's crazy. And we shook hands. That's what happened.
What?
It is what it is. Look, my shirt is like this because of the time machine. It's pretty old. So like, yeah.